Welcome to jobworld.com, where we do the job of connecting buyers with the best Caribbean real estate opportunities. Today, we're taking you inside another incredible property in the Caribbean, so stay tuned.
Seven-bedroom, eight-bathroom house for sale at Greenwood Avenue, St. James. Lot size 0.37 acres. Double garage plus additional parking. Landscaped grounds. Aerial view of home. Close to beaches, hospitals, shopping, restaurants, and 25 minutes from the airport. Upper deck with gazebo for entertainment. Spacious kitchen with island. One of two dining areas. Open concept kitchen and dining. Formal open concept dining room. One of three living rooms. Powder room. Upper level overlooking an open foyer. Curved staircase with wrought iron railing. High vaulted wooden ceiling. Entrance to primary bedroom. Huge primary bedroom. Luxury symmetrical primary bathroom. Standing shower. Primary bath jetted tub enclosure. Covered veranda with scenic views. Landing area. Sunken foyer. Upper level has 4 bedrooms. All with ensuite baths. Gym on the upper level. Laundry room on the ground floor. Gazebo on the upper deck. Bar area. Lush entrance.